Hey there, trading friends. It's September 17th, 2020, and that's a Thursday, by the way. And today's cherry bomb trade is in. McDonald's. Are you bearish on it? Today's cherry bomb is McDonald's has a rank of 3 out of 4 for liquidity and a pretty low IV rank of 14. And we're getting bearish with a long put vertical today. And I have to say, I'm thinking to myself, I remember when I first learned that you could position yourself in a way to profit when a company lost value in their stock, when their underlying went down. Because for the longest time, I thought I understood trading was you buy something and you hope it goes up. Do you remember that? I mean, it just blew my mind, and I still think it's the coolest thing ever, right? So this might be your first time ever trying to put on a bearish trade, or this might be the 1,000th time. Either way, I still think it's the coolest. And what do you say? Let's go ahead and get into the platform and go ahead and get doing that, right? All right, so hi everybody, my name is Neil and this is Option in Theory, and I look forward to putting on a bearish trade with you today. If you're new here, the best thing you can do besides subscribing and ringing that bell, by the way, is going down and hitting that description box. You find a link there that takes you over to Tasty Trades Cherry Bomb email sign up page. And we get those emails early in the morning and we put these trades on in ThinkOrSwim using the simulated trading portfolio so that we can get all the learning without all that risk. And eventually, maybe I trade for real as well, but not always the cherry bomb trades, right? Some of them are a little much for me. But anyway, we are putting our theories to the test, and I thank you for joining us. So, and my longtime viewers, being loyal viewers, I really appreciate you. Thanks so much. Now, you can see here we have McDonald's on the screen, and these bands here, these Bollinger Bands, are pretty darn tight compared to what you see over here, right? So that's showing us that IV is pretty contracted, and we could be seeing an expansion. So this long put vertical would benefit from an expansion of these bands, right? From widening of these bands like you saw here. And the fact that it's on that top upper band indicates, if things will mean revert, that'd be great. But if you would notice here, since summer started, McDonald's has been on a trend. And that's why today's email says something about being a contrarian, right? And I kind of like that. All right, so you can see there's a couple of indicators here and here that indicate some bearishness, not so much here. And, we could lose. We always understand that. And we want to understand our probabilities of losing on that one. So to do that, of course, first we have to build a trade. So let's hit this Analyze tab, add Simulated Trade, type MCD into your ticker box over here. And then we're going to be in the October monthlies, which I'm very happy to see. We haven't had a weekly trade in a while in our cherry bombs because the liquidity on those are usually, right? So we got 29 days to expiration as of today. Let's go ahead. We're going to left click on the ask for the 230 put. We're going to hold down the control key. We're going to left click on the bid for the 220 put. We've got ourselves a nice debit spread, debit vertical, a long put vertical, one contract. Yours may be 10. You can position size yourself as you see fit, but as the Tasty Trade mantra goes, trade small and trade often. That's what we're going to do here. So we see we're going to pay $480 for the next 29 days. That's the risk we're putting on the table, right? Let's call that putting $5 down, right, on the table. We want to come back and somewhere in the next 29 days back to that table and pull more than $5 off the table. What's our probability of that happening? Well, let's go to this risk profile and take a look. So we've got October 17th dialed into this calendar here. Make sure yours is as well. Okay, we have our price slice here set to break even at 50. We have a 53% probability of being on this gold line or to the left of it at expiration, which is fantastic, right? Because you can see as McDonald's goes down in price, should it do that, right, we begin to profit. If it goes up like it's been going up for months now, we will of course begin to lose that money that we put down on the table, right? I'm okay with that, so I'm going to right click this so we can always review our max profit of $520. We'd be looking to take this off when it reaches half of that, right? So when this is worth about $2.50 more, really $2.60 more, right? That'd be when we'd be looking to close it. But if you're like me, sometimes, hey, you'll take 25% if you get it in the first week that you're in this trade. So that's something to consider as well. There's no shame in taking your profits and running when you get them. Okay, all right, so I'm going to hit send. That's going to put that into my working orders over here. And if that fills, right, I'd like to put in a good to cancel order. Thank you again, Mike. That did great for me the other day in the Amazon trade. If you missed our Amazon trade a couple days ago, we put that on, and I sit as one of my viewers who put in the comments his strategy about setting a good to cancel order if an order fills. And it got me $220 in an hour. So thank you very much for that one, both Mike and Amazon. All right, if you've made it this far, I'll give you the thumbs up because it does help me and it does help YouTube understand that you like this video. When you watch my videos to the end, it does help me. So I thank you so much. And you know, we only have one more cherry bomb trade this week. So I hope you're enjoying these. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're having profits. Things aren't looking so good. If you look at this over here, the outlook for the day, if you're a bull, it's not looking good. And my deltas that are beta weighted to the SPYs right now are showing me that I should expect to see some more pain today. Some red is not good right now, right? We'd like to see some green. Hey, these are just overnight futures. These could change, but I don't know that that's going to happen today. We'll see. It's always an interesting ride. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. All right, everybody. Until then, happy trading.